TikTok Shop Affiliate have done it again. 14,400 in under 4 weeks from a 33-second video created by a small creator is absolutely nuts. No ad push, all just organic push. It's just absolutely beyond insane. But let's talk about this. Let me show you the proof, show you exactly how this went about and how you can take advantage of this opportunity while it's still available. All the resources will be linked in the description as usual. Let's go. Let me show you some proof before we continue to how this sorcery came about and how you can take advantage of it as well if you're interested in making your first dollar online in 2024. So I'm in Shoplus at the moment, which is my favorite spy tool for TikTok Shop. Feel free to grab it in the description. The link will be there if you want to try it out. This is where I find all the source. This is where I find all the juice, all the 411 on what's working on TikTok Shop, who's doing what, who's making how much, and how they go about making it and in what period as well. The creator that I'm talking about here is this one, and this is the video. Now, let's start at the main page, which is products, and I've just looked at top sales underneath products. So the product that we are focusing on is the ashwagandha vitamin D product. So if we go and have a look at the commission, first of all, it is 20% commission for every sale that you make. This simply means that for every vitamin D gummy ashwagandha that you sell, not obviously the whole packet that you sell, you get 20% commission for every single unit that you sell. Now, if we look at the price that they sell it to customers for, it is $13.26, beg your pardon. I'm from Britain, hence why I'm saying pound first. So going back onto the product page, which I've gotten onto by just clicking on here, looking at the creators that are promoting this product here on this page, and then finding this one creator here. Now, as you can see, the creator uploaded a 33-second long video. The video was uploaded less than 4 weeks ago on the 11th of August 2024 at the time of recording this video, and we can see that they generated 72,960 in sales so far. They would have received 20% off that, because remember, commission is 20%, which is what led us to the 14,400 figure. This is their commission, this is their profit, this is what goes into their pockets. They don't pay anything out of that apart from just the usual tax that every single person on earth nowadays probably pays in their country. Now, the way they went about getting here, they most likely followed a very simple 5-step process, which I'm just going to quickly run through in this video. The first thing they would have done is find the product that is selling quite well on TikTok Shop. They would have done this either by looking through TikTok Shop through the product marketplace, which is a very, very long and lengthy process, or potentially they could have used an easy way, which is using a spy tool like Shoplus, which, as you can see, lists and categorizes products that are doing well. It ranks them from top to bottom, and you can see the different types of products and the different types of categories as well here. But usually the higher it is, the better it's selling currently. What they would have done then is have a look at the topmost selling products. They would have had a look at how well these products have been doing over time. Like if you click here on this page, it takes you to the product detail page. You can look at the sales analysis here, which is where you can take a look at how long or how well the product has been selling historically for the past 30 days, for the past 15 days. You can even go further and filter down the search to even longer than that. The longer a product has been selling consistently, the better the chances of you getting some money from that as well. Now, the second thing they would have done once they decided that this is a good product to be promoting, it's going viral, everyone's making money from it, they would have then found a way to get the product in their hands. So what they would have done there is either apply for a sample from the shop itself, which you can do all within the TikTok app. Very easy. It takes about 2 seconds, and the shop will reply to you in a day or two and let you know if they're sending you the ashwagandha vitamin D gummies for free or whether they decline your application. Declines are usually because your account doesn't look like the type of account that will promote the product for them, because at the end of the day, they're sending the product to you so you can create a video and promote the product. And if they look at your account and say this person is, and see that, this person either has never posted, which is a risk, or they just haven't posted anything to do with TikTok Shop, then it's a risk to just send them your product that you pay for free. So ideally, you want to have a profile where you are at least talking about products to be appealing to the shop to send you the free sample. Alternatively, if they didn't get a free sample from the shop, they would have gone on Amazon and they would have just ordered the product from there. Amazon, chances are, does tend to have the very same products identical to what TikTok Shop has, if not more variations than that. Sometimes they don't, but sometimes they do. When they do, you just order it, pay for it around this price here and get it on next day delivery. Now, some people might say, I don't want to pay for a product, but if you think about it, if you pay once to get these gummies, you've potentially got, a huge amount of videos that you can film with that one unit that you've purchased. And when you've got a chance of making 14,400 off that one purchase from one single video, this is not multiple videos, this is one video that they've made. They could have made 10, 20, 50 other videos, and that's separate revenue from this one that we're looking at here. This is just one video. So you can imagine the amount of videos that you'll have a chance to produce and create for that product. So, are you really going to grumble about spending $13 when you have that potential? I don't think a lot of sensible people would. So that would have been another way for them to get the product. Now, the third step they would have taken is create the video. Very, very simple. Now, what they could have done here is literally just go off the cuff and just create a video talking about the gummies themselves. Now, alternatively, what they could have done as well, which is very smart, is look at, again, using a spy tool like Shoplus. TikTok doesn't do this within the app. They do actually do it, but it's going to take you far longer because they just list videos randomly. Whereas here, you can see details for every single video and every single creator that's promoting this product and doing well. So they could have looked at these pages here. They could have clicked on one of the top creators. They could have downloaded the script so they can understand what the creator is saying exactly within the video. They could have downloaded the videos to see if they can replicate it and put their own unique style in there. Now, interestingly, this particular creator, this is a comment reply. So they most likely did create a video promoting this product at an earlier stage. Someone put in a comment and they decided to reply with a video. Now, comment replies are notoriously very profitable when it comes to TikTok Shop Affiliate, because one, it shows that people are interested in the product that you're talking about, but two, it also shows that you care about your community as well when you reply. But three, it's an opportunity for you to create yet another video promoting exactly the same product and making even more money. So the video that they uploaded initially could have made either more or less than this comment reply here, but regardless, the comment reply is independent. It's another video on its own promoting exactly the same product and yet another opportunity for them to make more money. And yes, we can see in this case, they made this much in sales and of course, 14,400 in revenue from a 33-second long video. Nothing fancy, no fancy cuts, no editing team, no fancy effects, no masks, literally just a guy talking and answering a question in the comment reply, holding the product up and talking to the camera that is on their smartphone. Literally, that is it. And from that, they made this much money. Now, the fourth step that they did, of course, naturally, is to upload the video on TikTok. We can see here, this is their TikTok profile, which again, Shoplus links us to, and we can see what other videos they've created as part of the profile there. Most likely, we're going to see quite a few different products where they are promoting these different products. But mostly we can see that it's the gummies that they are promoting because, guys, these gummies are their cash cow. They are making them the most money. So they're obviously going to buy or acquire more of these gummies, different variations, and create more and more videos. And another beautiful thing about this as well is you not only are you making money promoting these products here, but you are creating what's called a UGC portfolio here. And what a UGC portfolio is, for those who don't know, UGC is when you as a creator create videos for brands and promote their product. Now, you don't need to have a huge following to do that. He's got under 2,000 followers, which is interesting, by the way, because he needed a minimum of 5,000 in the US. So he probably used the hack that people use where you can get TikTok Shop affiliate without the minimum followers. But I've done a separate video for that you can check out. But yeah, I digress. So you don't even need that many followers in order to do that. And with UGC, what the companies are going to do is they're going to come to you, you're going to create the video, they're going to take the video as it is, and they're going to upload it on their page. They don't look at how famous you are, how popular you are. All they care about is your ability to sell their products. And this person here can easily now go to a much larger company and say, look, I've got a portfolio here on TikTok. These are the videos that I've done. I have made 70,000 in revenue. He's probably made more than this, but for this particular video, I've generated 72,000 in revenue promoting one product, and that's going to be very attractive to those shops and to those advertisers, and they most likely will pay him some upfront money as well in order for him to create a video promoting their product. So those are just some additional opportunities that are there as a TikTok Shop affiliate. Now, I digress slightly, but the fifth step is, of course, to rinse and repeat after you've uploaded that initial video. And guys, easily, as you can see, they've been consistent. They've not just uploaded one video and given up. They've uploaded a bunch of different videos. And as we can see, this particular one that we are looking at today was an outlier. It had 303,600 views. It's still one of their best performing videos on their account. Otherwise, they're averaging around 100 to maybe 1,000 views per video. But again, that's the beauty of TikTok Shop affiliate. You don't need to be getting millions of views. Literally, if you're getting hundreds of views, you're still good, because all it takes is just one person to click the icon on your video and purchase the product. They don't have to like you. They don't have to like the video. They don't have to follow you. They don't have to share it. All you want is just for them to click the little icon at the bottom, purchase the product. TikTok is happy, the shop is happy, and you are happy as well. So yeah, those are the 5 key steps that they likely would have followed there. In summary, as I mentioned, they find the product, you get the product in your hands, you create the video, you upload the video, and then you rinse and repeat from there. Now, if you are interested in absolutely crushing it in 2024 and making your first dollar online, be sure to check out the video that's coming up next, where we delve even deeper into more case studies, how people are being successful with TikTok Shop affiliate. I'll see you there.